How to tie a barrel knot around a carabiner. Here's a barrel knot around a carabiner. I'll show you how we get there. So, start with the tail of your rope. Put it through the end of your carabiner. Give yourself about 30 centimeters. And then you've got that loop going through. Then we're going to wrap going towards the carabiner twice. So now you have two wraps, and then the tail goes back through the two loops you've created away from the carabiner. That's a good indicator. The tail must be going away from the carabiner. If the tail's heading that way, something ain't right. So then you'll end up with something like that, and you can just pull that down. Sometimes it doesn't quite look like that. You might need to dress it up a bit, but that is your end result. A good rule of thumb is about 10 centimeters, 100 mil, or the width of a fist is a good safe rule of thumb, just so that you can see if there's any sliding or anything. Something to keep in mind with a barrel knot is they are only safe knots if they are going around something. If they're not going around something, they're a type of death knot. If you have a knot like that where the tail's heading back and you're using that as a stopper knot, dangerous. Don't do it, because if you're abseiling down your rope and for whatever reason you hit the knot, you can actually push that out and off the end. Don't do that. So barrel knot, great knot. Put it around a biner. It doesn't save anything if it doesn't go around anything. I'll show you a stopper knot in the next video. Thank you.